Hello, afternoon. If it's hot with you now, it'll be hot for the next 3 or 4 days. Some places will have temperatures above 30 degrees for about 6 days running. Now, it's not hot everywhere, but we do have sunshine for most, and it's more pleasantly into the low 20s in the north. But I'm pointing out this area of cloud. It's been really stubborn to clear across parts of Wales and northern England. It'll take another hour or two. It might actually linger in some parts, so that's tempering the feel of the day, particularly with the onshore breeze. But for most, the sunshine continues, just the outside chance of a shower, pleasantly warm in the north, hot and humid in the south. We could see 34 or 35 once again, already the high 20s. Now, overnight temperatures will only slowly fall away. The low cloud returns. There is a greater chance overnight of starting to pick up a few showers in the west, pushing their way northwards. But I think the big talking point is that it will again be warm and humid, and if anything, more so for Scotland and for Northern Ireland than the night just gone. The humidity is rising here as well. And as that humidity rises and the nights stay hot as well as the days, I think there's a greater chance of some thunderstorms breaking out as we move into the new week. Eventually, the heat looks set to ease. But for Monday, that low clouds with us. It may clear a bit more quickly, so that'll lift the temperatures more quickly across the Midlands and Northern England. But look at these showers potentially breaking out. There'll be some torrential downpours, and they're likely to make their way northwards through the evening. So again, warm with pleasant sunshine in the north, hot and humid in southern and eastern areas, and a bit warmer as well for parts of the Midlands and Northern England compared with today because of that low cloud. And the reason for the subtle change is low pressure's just starting to drift a little bit further northwards, hence also the increasing risk that we'll see the atmosphere destabilising and allowing more showers to form in the form of thunderstorms given the amount of heat. Tuesday, best guess at the moment is those storms will be north of the Midlands, but they can't be ruled out just about anywhere, drifting their way northwards and eastwards. But again, look at the heat. These storms are not breaking the heat. In fact, the heat is seeping a little bit further northwards. Then through Tuesday night and Wednesday, again, the devil's in the detail, drifting potentially northwards and eastwards, some heavy thundery downpours. So if you have plans this week, please do stay tuned to the forecast and we'll firm up day to day. But equally, some more showers and thunderstorms pushing into the south later on Wednesday. And again, it's still hot and very warm for most of us. It's going to take something, I think, to move this heat away, and it looks set to come on this area of low pressure, moving up from the Bay of Biscay. So bringing in a much larger area, potentially, of thundery rain, and then hanging around that low pressure until the end of the week. So, of course, there'll be more cloud in the sky by that stage, as well as the potential for some very heavy rainfall, torrential rainfall moving its way northwards, with some thunderstorms in there following on behind, again with low pressure sitting across the UK. But by Thursday, potentially, the temperatures are coming down a little, although I suspect the humidity will still remain high, given we've got all that moisture across us. Perhaps some easing in the humidity as well by Friday, still rumbling around showers or thunderstorms and around that area of low pressure, but by that stage we do think the heat will have diminished. So it is quite a jam-packed week of weather, if you like, and the detail is going to be quite tricky. But what we do think is there's obviously an increasing risk of thunderstorms, and there are warnings out, so the details of those are on the website. But eventually we will lose the heat by day and by night in the south, and the humidity for all as well. Bye-bye.